Welcome to my boring office desk. Today I thought it would be fun and also to spark joy to do an office desk makeover. As you can see, my office desk is purely black and white and there's not really much decoration. Nothing sparks joy. I need something like to motivate me, something to look at, you know, just to give you the vibe to do hard work. And also, it's a smart thing to do, you know. The environment will keep you motivated, so it brings out the best in you. Anywhoosie, this is the mood board I created online just to give me idea on what I wanted to achieve, to save time, to know what to shop, the colors that you wanted. If you open your drawer and you have a divider like this, it's easier to find things, especially this. Ugh, I hate cords. Pens too are annoying. Let me give you a quick tour of my office desk. It's a black and white. I have tissue box, I have my bag, my CPU, and my dirty laundry right there. My 2 phones, my drawers. Yes, excuse me. Yes, I know, I'm baking here. This is also my storage room, whatever. So, this is it. Without further ado, let me turn you into a princess. These are the ingredients. I have candles. These are battery operated. You can just you tap and then it will change the color. See, from red to green. I have these books and I have a picture frame where I'll be putting my vision board. These are my vision. So work from home, yes. I have here a mini whiteboard. This is for like my short reminders. Gold pencil pen holder. This can be a pen holder too, but it's too beautiful. Might be just a simple decoration and it really sparks joy. But I also made this one, like a label for my wirings. CPU, fuse, I have a label because when you unplug and you unplug the wrong one, then it's gone. Let's get started. The progress so far. Let me add some more joy. I really love this pen holder and of course this glittery. So this is how it looks like. Yep. Goals, dreams, believe, survive. Okay, let's add some more. This is my old tissue box. I got these like maybe 3 years ago and it's still good, it's still okay. So what I will do with these tissue boxes, I'm gonna take them out of the box and transfer them here. This picture frame needs stability. Girl, bear with me. Okay, part of working is crying and maybe you're sick or you're sweating out, so that's the best place to put right beside me. Breaking news, I broke my nail. I got this really cute air freshener and I think, where would I put this one? Okay, that looks really cute. Or, oh hi there. Looking great, the greens are here, the books, my board, looking great so far. This is one of my fave. Oh, hello there, sexy. Maybe we'll put it here. You know, it's nice to look at yourself. Maybe on that side, but the phones are there, so it's really, the phones are blocking it. Maybe, yeah. Does it make sense? No. It's okay. we'll figure it out. And I have these for my water. Pretty good. Looking nice. Good job. Well done. For the candles, I'm thinking to put them on this side. Yep. I'm not sure if you can see, but there they are. Oh, hi. Hello, how are you? It looks fine. Looks great. Because if I'm gonna put it here, I don't really have enough space, and I don't want this little cuteness to block my way. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, as you can see, everything is according to plan. So these are the labels for my fuse. And just put a scotch tape over and stick it to our cord. Are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go. The after. Wow. Amazing. This is my plate. Let's have some tea. Let's have some water with chia seeds, some sweets to brighten up our day. We have extra pens. Oh, let me get the extra pens. So these is my new jar. Look at that. Organized, clean. You can see everything. It's easier to grab. So let me get this. My favorite pen. So I am a pencil girl, and I'm usually a pencil girl in the office because I like to change my mind all the time. So let me just put them here. Oh, let's do the pencil on the other side. Okay, and the pen too. So for now, it's just them. Less crowded, less problem. Here we go, the chair. The chair is the same, nothing is really new. Some people would love to add pictures like of their family, of their friends, which is also nice. You can add that one too in your desk, but for me, I just want to keep things private and, you know, a little simple. This is simple for me, but you know, I just added things that sparks glam and joy. That's why it looks like extra.